Okay, using the Speedy-Bar to exit the vehicle. This is for a full-size Dodge pickup truck. Okay, we reinsert the Speedy-Bar, very simple placement. Replace the lift. If you can't handle the weight of the lift, it's easy to remove the swing arm and spreader bar. We reconnect the power. Put the lift in place. Leg straps first rather. Arm straps second. Raise. Forward. Down, and at that point we're going to nip the head out. Once we're in the fully up position, person comes out, legs come out. We're going to put the wheelchair in place. A little bit of upward pressure on the back of the chair. On the back of the sling is going to make sure that the back is pushing very nicely into the sling seat back of the wheelchair. Disconnect, disconnect. Move the user out of the way. We disassemble the lift. Remove the Speedy-Bar. Remove the battery, and we're ready to go. You'll note that the sling, which is we call the back saver style sling, is not actually underneath the user. So if you wanted to remove the sling, although it's very comfortable for daily use, simply removing it, the person leans forward, and it comes right off of the user with really very little effort. So a real simple design. Here's a design of the sling so that you can understand what it looks like. Thank you very much for watching our video, and we hope to hear from you soon.